Hey guys, this is Scott with Active Element. Every week I get tons of phone calls and emails from people tired of paying to lease their dishwasher. In this video, we're going to show you how to select a dishwasher that's perfect for your business. When selecting your dishwasher, there are three main categories to choose from, depending on the available space and volume of dishes to clean. There's under counter, conveyor, and door type dishwashers. All three operate on the same principle of using hot water and chemicals to clean your dishes. Under-counter dishwashers are commonly found in places with lower volume of dishes and less available space, such as small diners, coffee shops, and bars. You can install these machines in convenient locations, like under a bar, making it easy for employees to multitask. These machines are capable of 20 to 30 racks per hour and cost anywhere between $3,000 and $7,000. On the other side, conveyor dishwashers are capable of cleaning huge amounts of dishes, saving you time and money. But on the downside, they take up a larger footprint. These machines are the workhorse of any operation, capable of processing 225 racks per hour. They cost anywhere between $13,000 and $25,000. In between the first two options, there's a door-style dishwasher that takes up minimal space and can efficiently clean large amounts of dishes. It's perfect for any mid-size operation. You just slide in the rack and close the door to start the cycle. Capable of 60 to 75 racks per hour, these machines cost anywhere from $2,500 to $17,000 to start. The next decision is to choose between a high temp and low temp machine. Both use hot jets of water and chemicals to clean. The biggest difference is how they sanitize the dishes. The high temperature machine uses water at 180 degrees to sanitize dishes. An advantage of the hot water is that it cleans dishes really well on its own, and as a result, you will use less detergent and rinse. On the downside, these machines cost more to buy up front and have a higher utility bill to heat the water. A booster heater is required, and you'll need to install one if not already built into your machine. A high temp machine might be required in certain applications where the chlorine can have a negative effect on the taste of the beverage, such as in beer or wine. The power requirement of a high temp machine is 220 volts and 3-phase. The low temperature machine uses water at 120 to 140 degrees and also uses a chemical sanitizer. The big advantage of a low temp machine is that it costs less up front. They also have a lower utility bill since the water's at a cooler temperature. The disadvantage is that they use more chemicals and they also rely on a chemical sanitizer to disinfect dishes. The power requirements of a low temp machine is 220 volts, single phase. In researching, I noticed that some machines were way more expensive than the others. In general, the features that you will pay more for are high temp versus low temp, built-in water heat booster, versions that are tall to fit baking sheets. The most expensive are the ventless machines. They do not release steam and recycle the energy, and also they're ideal for areas with no ventilation. The bottom line is the machine you choose will be determined by the amount of space you have, how many dishes you have to clean, and whether you want to pay more for chemicals or utilities. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video, and please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one.